Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this detailed tutorial on this hair. I am wearing hair from Hermosa hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am going to be installing this wig from Hermosa hair. So first thing I'm going to do is cut off that extra lace. And I'm going like straight up my ear. Yeah, my ear is fully loaded with piercings. And then I'm going to do the same thing of this ear. Just like this. So for now, I'm just now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off all that excess lace. Go ahead and begin to put down the lace. It's looking so far really good. I'm putting down those little pieces that just had to get re-glued down. I've been using this thing as a melt band, but it's really like a thing to make your wig glueless, but it does what it needs to do, y'all. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm pushing all the hairs back, and I'm going to put some of my Slickum Spritz down on my lace. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes. It is so tight, y'all. 5 minutes. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At 6:10. Alright, you guys. So I did. If you notice anything just changed about my face, I did go ahead and add some eyeliner to my makeup just because I don't know. I hate how my lashes look right now. So I'm just going ahead and I'm taking this apart. I can't eat enough without you. I've decided that I'm gonna do another middle part. So sorry, y'all. We should have crispier edge brush. Okay, it's dried up. So now I'm just gonna swoop, and just start oop, 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 oop. Honestly, guys, the side effects as far as the oop, 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 you don't need to do that, but oop. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Got2b. I'm going to put that right on my baby hairs and on my hair. And I'm going to go blow dry real quick. Alright, you guys, so I just threw it in this thing because all the styles that I tried to do just weren't given. So yeah, I just did something I can't go wrong with. Alright, you guys, so I am wearing hair from Hermosa and I am wearing 30 inches of this hair. It is very nice. If I'm not mistaken, I'm wearing the pattern Deep Wave, but I'm not sure which pattern it is. But I will have all of the links to the hair listed down below as far as the details as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just fix my part before I forget. These parts right here with just a little bit of mascara. simple just brush through kind of just gets the job done and fix the parting. Then I'm just taking this cream concealer and I'm just gonna, I feel like I need a thinner brush. Hold on y'all before I mess up the install. I usually like to seal it with a little bit of my spritz, but I don't see it, so I use my Vaseline and a little bit of Sleepiness, and I just go like that. So yeah, this is the final look for the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.